What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Churro if you guys didn't know. In today's video we're actually going to be installing a drift button. I ordered a drift button about like a month ago and it showed up. I actually got a black drift button. I didn't want to get any other color besides black because they had like a gold color, a purple color, a red color. I just wanted a black one, that way you know it looks stock and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just head to the 240 and I'm gonna show you guys how to install it. So let's go. So we're just gonna go ahead and just go to the 240. It's actually getting pretty dark already, so my time of light is really limited, but it's just a easy and quick install. So my e-brake is right here. I know it's pretty dark. I'm actually gonna go get a light for it, but we got to get this rubber boot off first in order for us to get to the spring of the emergency lock. So let me go get a light first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna remove this rubber piece first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just look for a light so we could work on it. So I have my little flashlight. If you guys want to check it out. Like, bam, son, my flashlight. You see these little tabs on the side of the e-brake, these tabs right here. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna grab a flathead, and you're pretty much gonna pull these tabs towards you, because since they're inside flat, you're gonna have to grab this. I think this flathead's too big, but you're gonna push these tabs out. There's two of them, so there's one on this side and there's one on the other side, so you're gonna have to push those tabs out. Let me go ahead and do that real quick, but I actually have to find another flathead because this flathead is too big for it to fit. All right, so I was able to get the tabs out, but once you get these tabs pushed out, you can go ahead and yank the e-brake. It's not gonna lock up or anything like that. I went ahead and pulled the tabs out. You guys can see that on this side, and then on this side I kind of did my best on it. I'm actually gonna fix it a little bit because I don't want the spring to get stuck, but yeah, that's pretty much it. This is where the drift button comes into play. But first, before I install it, I'm gonna go ahead and install the rubber boot back. Sweet. So I put the rubber boot back for my e-brake, and now I just have to install the drift button. This goes to the release button where your e-brake was at. So what you do is you go ahead, you're gonna shove this as much as you can. All right, sweet. So now you can yank it back and forth, and if you want to lock it, all you got to do is just pull up and lift up the drift button, and your e-brake is now locked in place. And of course, if you want to release it, you can go ahead and just press the e-brake just like that. So we'll go ahead and lock it, and we'll go ahead and release the e-brake, and you're pretty much done. Installing the drift button really takes like 15 to 10 minutes. It's fairly easy to install. It's a good thing to have, especially if you want to go to the track and slide your car. You don't want your e-brake locking when you yank it. This is really good because if you want to just, you know, lock the rear, you could just keep yanking on the e-brake. That way the rear is locked, and then you can proceed with your drifting, and it's not going to mess up with your initiation of when you pull the e-brake. It's going to lock up. So it's something good to have. Also, if you just want to use it as a daily, you can also use it. All you gotta do is just flick the e-brake up, that way the rear tires lock. If you're parked in a hill, you can use the e-brake with the drift button. All you gotta do is just flick the button forward and your rear tires will lock. I know this video was short, but hopefully this helped you guys out. If you guys want to buy a drift button, it's fairly simple to install, but go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, that way you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And we're almost close to 3,000 subscribers, so if you guys can help me out, we're almost there. We're like halfway there. But I would appreciate if you guys can subscribe to the channel, and of course comment down below if you guys have any other questions. You guys can buy a drift button for fairly cheap, and it's like one of the best investments you guys can do, depending where you guys buy it. In my case, I bought my drift button for like $5 and it got here in a month. I think if you pay like $10 or $12, somewhere around there, you can find them on like eBay. Depending where the location's at, that's where the price is gonna go up. But hopefully you found this video helpful, and like always, I'll see you guys on my next video. Later, guys.